How to select albums to sync with OneDrive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on this menu icon and click on the settings. Now in gallery settings, you will see first option is sync with OneDrive. After click on sync with OneDrive, you will see second option is album to sync. Click on album to sync if you want to select album to sync with OneDrive. So select all albums, camera, screenshot, my custom camera log. After sync, go back to home screen. So that's how you can select albums to sync with OneDrive on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.